Hello auto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of hybrid vehicles, but with a twist. Instead of generic tips, we're giving you 4 crucial insights that can significantly extend your hybrid engine's lifespan. Buckle up as we uncover the secrets to keeping your hybrid running smoothly for years to come. Step 1. Optimizing the fuel-electricity balance. Let's kick things off by exploring how maintaining the perfect balance between fuel and electric power is key to your hybrid engine's longevity. Discover practical tips on optimizing your driving style to get the most out of both power sources without putting unnecessary strain on the engine. Step 2. Paying attention to the cooling system. Now, let's delve into the importance of a well-maintained cooling system. We'll provide insights into how proper cooling not only prevents overheating but also safeguards vital engine components, ensuring a longer and healthier life for your hybrid's heart. Step 3. Smart charging and discharging practices. Up next, we'll unravel the mysteries of your hybrid's battery. Learn smart charging and discharging practices that not only maximize your battery's lifespan but also positively impact your engine's overall health. It's all about keeping that power source in prime condition. Step 4. Powerful performance with expert tips. For our grand finale, we're sharing expert tips to enhance your hybrid engine's performance. From choosing the right motor oil to understanding the nuances of regenerative braking, these insider tricks will empower you to make informed decisions for your hybrid's well-being. As we wrap up our journey, remember that these 4 insights are not just tips, but powerful tools to extend your hybrid engine's life. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more actionable automotive content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until our next ride, drive smart and keep those engines humming.